Good day mga kadasig! Are you a newbie YouTuber like me or a student who would like to download a video editor app for your videos para magamit sa iyong mga projects? Do you want to download the Kinemaster application na walang watermark? Definitely this video will help you. Today, mga kadasig, I'll be teaching you on how to download the Kinemaster video editor without the watermark on your phone. So keep on watching till the end. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video, and of course click the bell button for the... So mga kadasig, here's how to download the Kinemaster app without the watermark. So first is you need to open your Safari web browser. So after you have opened your Safari web browser, you type pandahelp.vip. So after that, you click the download free version. Mga kadasig, the downloading will depend on the internet speed. Once downloading is done, you click the Panda Helper app. However, it won't open and a prompt will appear. So mga kadasig, all you have to do is to go to Settings, then click Generals, then you need to go to Device Management, then click the name of the enterprise app. Then a prompt will appear. Since I've already downloaded the app, so it's already verified. But for you who have downloaded the app for the first time, just click the trust button. So once the downloaded app is verified, you go back to Panda Helper application and open it. In the search box, you type Kinemaster, then click the download, just like downloading an app. Again, mga kadasig, downloading will depend on the internet speed. So mga kadasig, once you downloaded the Kinemaster app, same as with your Panda Helper, it won't open and a prompt will also appear. So all you have to do is you will do what you have done after downloading or after you have downloaded the Panda Helper application. So you need to go to Generals, then Device Management, then click the name of the enterprise, then you will verify. So all you have to do is just to click the trust. So you can now use your Kinemaster app without watermark. There you have it mga kadasig. I hope you have learned something from this video. For your queries and suggestions, please write it in the comment section below. So thank you very much. See you in my next video mga kadasig. Thank you and God bless. Mga kadasig, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell button for notifications and like this video. Daghang salamat.